So let's say what you want to do is you want to go ahead and then generate out presentation inside of Terabox. So to go ahead and do that, over here in Tera AI section, you can go ahead and click on AI Presentation Maker. And then what you can simply do is choose the number of slides that you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to choose 5 to 10 slides right here. And the language I'm going to choose is English. And over here, all you need to do is type in the type of the presentation you want. So I'm just going to go around over here and type in presentation regarding the importance of online education. Make sure that you have an introduction slide and agenda slide in the beginning and summary slide at the end. So you can go ahead and be detailed as much as possible over here. Then what you can simply do is click on continue right here. And what happens is that the text for the slide will start to be generated. So you can see that it's loading right here. So in a while, it'll be starting to generate right here. So you can see that it says presentation regarding the importance of online education. So there's the introduction right here, just like this, the shift to online education. There's the agenda, as you can see, and there's sections being divided. So there's section 4, and you can even see the text right here, and you can see the summary as we asked it to do. You can even go ahead and add a new section if you want yourself as well. So I'm just going to go around and say thank you right here at the end right here. So now I'm going to go ahead, and you can see that you can even go ahead and delete out the sections if you want, and even add the new sections if you want as well, and even go ahead and, let's say for example, edit this out right here. So there's reiterate the core factors contributing to success of learning online. So I'm just going to go around over here, and let's say for example, say revisit right here. So you can go ahead and edit this out as you want as well. Once you're ready, simply click on generate presentation, and you can go ahead and choose a presentation template of your choice. So you can see that this is the one that has been chosen for us, but you can go around over here onto technological. Let's say for example, choose a template as you wish right here, like let's say for example this one, and click on start generating. So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that it opens up the Terabox presentation editor, and it goes ahead and generates out the slide right here just like this. So you simply need to go ahead and wait for a bit, and all of the text that you have right here now will be generated. So it says it takes about 1 minute to generate. Now you can see the slides being generated just like this. So you can see that this is presentation regarding the importance of online education. You got the agenda right here. So it's not really perfect, but you can go ahead and edit it later. That's the part 1 introduction, where it actually added in images, as you can see right here, and the text that we had. You can see that this is what you have right here, all of the text, and you can even see the image right here, and you can see that it arranged out everything as a slide just like this. So you can see that it's generating about like let's say for example 19 slides now, 18, 20, and so forth. So you can see that it generated out the slides according to what I have. And then you can see that I also added in thank you. So you can see that it added in the thank you in the slide at the end. So now you can see that it's almost finished generating. So now you can go ahead and delete up the slide that you don't want and edit it out as you wish. So that is how you can go ahead and then use the Terabox AI Presentation Maker to generate presentation from prompt in Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.